Hello, everyone.
Hi!
Are you ready to have fun in Pocoyo World? OK, then let's see what surprises we have in store today. Let's see what colour you choose. Red! Let's watch and enjoy an episode of Pocoyo.
Look, Pocoyo, Pato and Ellie are building a tower. They're taking turns putting the blocks on. Hello, everyone.
Hi!
Ooh, looks like it might topple over. Sorry about that. Well done, Pocoyo. Now it's Pato's turn. Pocoyo's had a turn, Pato's had his turn. So whose turn is it now? Can any of you tell Pocoyo whose turn it is now?
Ellie! It's Ellie's turn.
Oh dear, that was quite a sneeze, wasn't it? That's right. Let's try to build the tower again. Good job, Pato. Now it's Ellie's turn.
Ellie?
Oh dear, I think she's going to blow. Whoops, oh my. Ah, yes. Let's try again. There we go. Now, Pato.
Pato!
I wonder where Pato is. Can you see him, Pocoyo?
Pato!
You found him. Good work. Trying again, are we? Come on, Pato.
Pato.
Oh dear, poor Pato. Is he all right? Oh, Pato, there's no need to quack like that. But Pato, Ellie isn't sneezing on purpose. People and elephants can't help it when they sneeze. It just happens sometimes. I think Pocoyo wants to help. That's very nice of you, Pocoyo. I don't think Ellie is feeling too well. So maybe Ellie doesn't feel like playing at all. Well, let's think. Where should she be if she isn't feeling all that well? Can any of you tell Pocoyo where Ellie could go to feel better?
Go to bed.
Yes, Ellie should go to bed. Resting is a very good thing to do if you have a cold. There. Maybe Ellie will feel a bit better if she has a little sleep. Yes, now you can build your tower without any sneezes knocking it over. Oh dear, I think Pato may have caught Ellie's cold. Watch out! Oh well, bye-bye for now. See you soon.
Which one should we choose now? Yellow! Pocoyo's Big Party.
Today the weather's sunny, perfect for a party. Ellie's bringing soft drinks and a lot of great surprises. Pocoyo is laughing with Fred, his silly playmate, who's telling loads of crazy jokes that make them roar with laughter. Party, party, come down to our party. Party, party, dance with Pocoyo. They turn on the radio. Pato feels the rhythm. He dances all the time. Oh my, this party's so much fun. Come on down and join us. Please come to our party. Your friends are waiting for you with some music and confetti. Party, party, come down to our party. Party, party, dance with Pocoyo. Such a good time. Lula, caterpillar, sleepy bird, and baby bird. Everyone is happy as they sing this song. The party's so much fun, I wish it lasted all day long. Party, party, come down to our party.
playing. Red! Another episode of Pocoyo.
What was that? There they go again. Can any of you tell me who those two are?
Pocoyo and Baby Bird.
You're right. Hello, Pocoyo. Hello, Baby Bird.
Hello.
So, what are you planning to do today, Pocoyo?
Puzzle.
Pato? Oh, yes, there's Pato playing with his blocks. Let's play. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? I suppose it's time to tidy up a bit now. Where did they go? This must be a mistake. I'm sure they won't leave you to clean up this mess all by yourself. Ah, Caterpillar is finishing a puzzle. How nice.
Play. Yay!
Oh dear, that wasn't much help, was it? Ellie and her doll are going for a picnic. How nice, Ellie. Special biscuits. Ellie's going to get you some more. Those do look delicious. What a mess.
Bye-bye.
Pocoyo, you do realize that your friends are very upset with you, don't you? You see, you don't have any idea just why that might be? Yes, Caterpillar is also upset with you, Pocoyo.
Ellie.
Can any of you tell Pocoyo why his friends are upset with him?
He made a mess. He's messy.
It's true. Messy. Remember Pato's blocks? And Ellie's picnic? And of course Caterpillar's puzzle? Maybe you should apologize. Pato, Ellie, Caterpillar, there's someone who wants to tell you something.
Sorry.
can you help Pocoyo say he's sorry to his friends? 1, 2, 3...
Sorry.
I think we should give him another chance, don't you?
Tidy up.
Yay! Finished at last. Beautiful. But Pocoyo, what do you... I don't understand. This is very odd. What could he be up to? Oh, I see. Pocoyo has framed it for you. Oh, that's marvellous. Hooray for Pocoyo. Hooray for friends. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Let's continue playing. Blue! Super Pocoyo! Everyone, let's pay close attention to his advice. I think we have only one left. Purple. An episode of Let's Go Pocoyo. Well, hello, Ellie. What have you got there? A bicycle. How wonderful.
Wait!
Huh, look at those wheels. What is that?
Scooter!
A scooter. And what a lovely scooter it is. Did you see that? Pato wants to go for a ride too. A skateboard? Terrific! Oh, what fun! And now, a quiet moment with Sleepy Bird. Hello, Pocoyo. A bus?
Bus!
An aeroplane? A train? Now, Pocoyo.
Train. Bye. Train!
Well, good night. Caterpillar! Look out! Can you tell Caterpillar what Ellie is riding?
A bicycle! Bicycle!
Right, a bicycle. And what is Pocoyo riding?
A scooter. It's a scooter.
A scooter. Right. And what is Pato riding?
Skateboard. It's a skateboard.
A skateboard. Right. Caterpillar says she wants to ride too. And now it's time for Fred Says, that wonderful game where everyone has to get up and do what Fred says. Fred says, walk backwards. Walking backwards is fun. Whoops. Fred says, roll. Come on. Roll on the floor. Fred says, hop. That's it. Hop on one foot. Well done. Fred says, that's all. Aren't you forgetting something, Caterpillar?
Helmet.
Exactly. Oh dear, that skateboard is too big. That scooter is too big too. That bicycle is way too big. Oh. Oh, poor Caterpillar. Everything is too big for her. You have an idea? Look! Pato's giving Caterpillar a ride on his skateboard. And Ellie's giving Caterpillar a ride on her bicycle. Now Pocoyo's giving her a ride on his scooter. Wow! Riding with friends looks fun!
If you can ride a bicycle, a scooter or a skateboard, then you can go anywhere. Doesn't matter if it's near, doesn't matter if it's far.
Scooter. Bicycle. Skateboard. Scooter. Bicycle. Skateboard.
If you can ride a bicycle, a scooter or a skateboard, then you can go anywhere. Doesn't matter if it's near, doesn't matter if it's far.
It's been great! Did we have fun? See you soon!